Hello everyone, let me show you how to set multi-step routing on iOS 16. So at first you have to open Maps, and here you will find this brand new feature. So at first let's set the first location that you would like to go to. Let me pick Berlin, and you can smoothly add stops right here. So just tap on add a stop, and for example we can choose Munich, and you can also just wait for the road to apply. And as you can see here, we've got the current road. To change it, for example, if you wish to visit Munich before Berlin, smoothly switch the places, give Maps a couple of seconds. And now here's your road. Obviously you can add here as many roads as only you wish. So let me add Lisbon then. And as you can see, that's it, the road is set up. Obviously you can change it whenever you wish, just like this. And also you can remove some particular options if you would like to skip some stop that you set previously. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.